So you have hybridized some plants, and your friends have complimented your plant hybridizing results, and may have even suggested that your hybridized plants are so good that you might want to try and sell some. Have you ever wondered how an amateur gardener can get one of his or her hybridized plants commercialized? The following is a description of the amateur plant hybridizing to commercial plant production process that I learned and experienced. The process basically has 7 steps, and like most processes, it tends to be sequential, and each step has to have a certain level of success. So let me describe each step. Step 1 is defining a plant hybridizing objective. The first step begins with a plant hybridizer having a clear and thoughtful plant hybridizing objective. What do you want to accomplish when you hybridize 2 plants? For example, do you want to create a show-winning plant? Or a low-maintenance garden plant, or maybe a plant that can be both show-winning and low-maintenance? Or do you want to create a specific or unique color plant? The options are endless, but if you want a plant that has commercial potential, you have to study that particular plant's market and determine what plants customers are buying, and make that a key part of your hybridizing objective. Step 2. Hybridize the plants. You have to select the potentially correct pollen and seed bearers that may hopefully accomplish your plant hybridizing objectives, and then successfully breed the plants, correctly harvest, manage and plant the seeds, and grow the seedlings. Step 3. Evaluate the seedlings. Hopefully by this step in the process you have lots of seedlings. You then evaluate your seedlings against your plant hybridizing objectives and cull all the seedlings that do not meet your objectives. Step 4. Validate the seedlings. You have to objectively validate your remaining seedlings. By validation, I mean that you, as an amateur plant hybridizer, may have to prove that your seedlings have objectively defined commercial potential. This may be done by entering your seedlings in reputable plant evaluation trials. Seedlings that are objectively evaluated by others will have greater commercial potential and add credibility to your skills and reputation as a plant hybridizer. Step 5. Gain a commercial partner. Assuming that your newly hybridized unique plant has been validated to have commercial potential, you will then need to gain a commercial partner, who usually is a plant grower that supplies plant to the wholesale and/or retail plant trade. The commercial partner will only be interested in plants that have current potential commercial value. Step 6. Commercial validation. The commercial partner will typically want to propagate and test your plant for its propagation, growth capability, and commercial potential. Step 7. Commercialize. If the commercial partner determines that your plant does have commercial potential, a United States plant patent may need to be obtained to protect you and/or the commercial partner's financial interest in the plant. And finally, if your plant is commercially successful, both you and your commercial partner may achieve some financial success from your hybridizing efforts.